and I can't thread it. And sometimes you use your spit or you twirl around your hands to thread it through. Welcome to Semsah Fashion channel, where you will know how to revive, restore, redeem, and renew your own garments. Hit the bell when subscribing to be alerted to new videos, and stick towards the end for a bonus tip. In this video, I'm sharing 12 sewing hacks that you can do with common household items and a basic sewing kit. I'm using chopsticks, nail polish, toothpaste, hairspray, tape measure or a ruler or a meter stick, a razor, Hiya hemming tape that you normally use for your curtains, and a sewing kit. This sewing kit is from the Semsah Fashion shop, where you can actually shop online, so semsah.com. I'm trying to thread through my needle. So for example, this has a lot of loose threads and I'm trying to thread, but one trick that I recommend doing, especially if it has splits, is to spray, let it dry a little bit, rub it with your hands, then put it through your needle, and voila, it goes through much easier now. Another trick, so actually if you have a threader, really squinch it so it'll be narrow enough to go through the eye of the needle. Okay, so because it's such a big hole, you can't miss your thread through your needle. It does make it really easy and save me so much time. And then you pull it through and then voila! That saves you so much time. But if you don't have a threader, you can use the hairspray. Hope it helped. Comment below if it has. So if you have a beginning of a ladder, which you honestly, it really pains me when I just bought ties and I'm seeing a ladder. So to prevent this from growing any longer, you know, I put my hands in there. I use a nail polish, an invisible nail polish or clear nail polish, and I go through, just put it on there, and that's supposed to stop the ladder from growing any further. And then what I recommend doing is, once that is dry, to do an embroidery stitch on top of it so it becomes like a decoration. Or you can do a back stitch so you stitch it together. But yeah, let that dry and that will stop it from growing any further, so stop it up here. I'm quite fortunate that this is only on the feet side of it and not on the actual leg. Fortunately, you're able to stop it with using clear nail polish. Use a toothpaste to show your button. The reason is to make sure that it's not sewn too tightly on your garment and it can easily pull through the buttonhole. You put your toothpaste in between the button. Make sure that your thread is knotted at the end, which mine is, and then start from the back, going through one hole, put the toothpaste in between. It can be quite fiddly and something to get used to, but it will help to prevent your button being sewn too close to the main fabric. And what you should be doing is going around the toothpaste, through the holes. I'll say do it like 3 times to be certain. Then you can take your toothpaste out, and as you can see, it's not too tight. It moves around quite nice and easy. Then you go to the back, and then what you will have to do now is go around it a couple of times. Don't pull it too hard, and then make a knot, and you can cut it from here, or you can go to the back and then cut it at the back. And then that's how you sew a button the right way, using your toothpaste. Using an Hiya hemming tape. This is actually used to hem the curtains, but you can also use it to hem your garments. Cut the desired length as shown on picture and then press it in order to create a nice neat finish. And voila, this is now iron together. So you can finish actually all your hems, sleeve hem, trouser hem, dress hem with this hemming tape from IKEA. Very easy to use. So if you have a lot of pilling, which often comes with wool garments, then use a razor to shave off the pilling. And as you can see, it's already clearing up. So you can see all of that being pushed down and shaved off to create a nice clean finish. Look at this, all shaved off using the razor. Be gentle, don't pull it. So if you have a garment that you want to level and you see it's uneven, as you can see here, there's points here that's uneven that I need to cut off. So what you do, you get the measurement of your shortest point that you want it to be, and you measure from down. It'll have to be 25 cm, as you can see. So I measure and down is 25 cm that I have it. And then what you do is you go to the next point of your garment. You have 25 below, and wherever that hits, that's where you put either a pin or you do a chalk mark, which I have here, and that will have to be cut off. So then I go to the next point of the garment. I have my 25 on the bottom, and I can see already once I pull it that that is almost like a 1.5 cm too long. So do it like that. And now basically have to do it all the way around. And then once you have your scissors will have to go on eye level, and you cut all the way around. If you have a ruler, it will be easier. If you have a zigzag scissors, this will prevent it from fraying. It will save you also from stitching as well. So if you stretch it out and you go along on eye level, and just making sure that's as level as can possibly be. Another sewing hack, use hairspray to prevent the garment from being anti-static. So I normally just spray, like not really touching the fabric, but just around the fabric inside so that it airs a bit. Just air it a little bit, and it'll prevent it from sticking against your skin. That is what I call an anti-static solution for all these statics fabric that clings to your body. So do you like this video? Like, comment, and hit the bell for subscribing. Until next time, bye bye.